Well, hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I just got back from retreat and I came home to a pile of mail, and I also had some happy mail. I got my Fort Worth Fabric Studio subscription package and I can't wait to get it open and see what's inside. So let's get started. I do apologize ahead of time. I don't have my cameras reset up yet from coming back home from the retreat. So I'm going to have to hold everything up rather than having a camera pointing down at the box. So just stating that ahead of time, because I know if I don't, I'm going to get some comments. It's great suggestions that you guys have, and I like to try to do that. But of course, like I said, I just got home and I don't have everything set up yet. So next time, but for now, I'm going to hold everything up and show you what's inside. So let's get this box open. Well, here we go with the box. This is a newer subscription box. This had it for almost 6 months now. It is $69.96 a month. It is on the pricier side of subscription boxes, but you get a jam-packed box. I don't get this for free. I buy this with my own money, and I keep purchasing it because I love what's inside. They always have a great value and great things, so I'm really excited to get it open and see what's inside. So the first thing that's inside as I open the lid is always their sticker, "So now sleep later," and I can say that that is completely true. From the retreat that I just got home from, we didn't sleep a whole lot. We sewed a lot, but we didn't sleep a whole lot. So great saying for quilters. This is what the box looks like when you open it. There's all kind of things in there, so I can't see wait to see what this is. So here's a list of everything that's inside. A Moda cork coaster, a Moda Teflon 4.5-inch embroidery scissor, Riley Blake Americana tin lunchbox, Petit Four quilt kit with Riley Blake's Sweet Freedom. Check inside the lunchbox, it says. Okay, so here we go. Just a girl who loves fabric is what's written on the coaster. That's really cute. Oh, and these are the new Moda embroidery scissors. I don't have these yet, and I wanted a pair, so I'm really excited to get these. It's Moda's new line of scissors, and I will let you guys know how well they cut. I'm excited to try them. So I've seen them in the catalogs, but I just have not purchased a pair yet. So, all right. So those are the things. This is the last thing in the box. This cute little, it's cute. It's like the old lunch boxes from when we were kids. And then all the squigglies. So put that down. And let's get this box open. So here's what I see when I open the box. Here's the box. And there's a whole kit inside. And oh gosh, there's a lot in here. So it's a whole kit. Let me open this. This kit is worth $60. Wow. And the box is $69.96. And I know these scissors and the coaster add up to more than another $10. So we already definitely have the value of what we paid in this box. Okay. So this is a quilt called Petit Fours from Villa Rosa Designs. It measures 45 by 57. That's what it looks like, and it uses a charm pack or 42 5-inch squares and 2 backgrounds of 1 yard each. So here we have, oh, that's beautiful, this charm pack from Riley Blake. It's called Sweet Freedom. Oh, and I don't know if this is going to come across on the camera, but it's kind of got this gold metallic in it, and it's actually metallic and shiny. I don't think it's going to show shiny on the camera, but it's really pretty. So let's see. Here are the fabrics. Very Americana. So you have plenty of time to make this for the upcoming patriotic US holidays. I love it. Here's the picture of the whole line on the back. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. And then they included, let's see, here's some red to go with it. Some red stars. I believe that's a basic from Riley Blake. Here's a red dot from Riley Blake. That's a basic that matches. And it looks like this is the binding. Really cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is great. So, sorry. We got all this fabric with the pattern to make it. We got the cute little lunchbox that it came in, which is adorable. There you go. We got a pair of embroidery scissors, Moda's new scissors, which I can't wait to try out, and then this cute coaster. So great box. Oh my gosh, I love it. I cannot wait to make this project. So, and I just dropped the pattern on the floor, sorry. So I always tell you guys what my favorite thing from the box is. I like everything. There's nothing I don't like here. I love everything. Can't wait to make the project. But I think my favorite thing is the embroidery scissors because I'm really excited to try these out. These are a new product that they introduced this past October at Quilt Market at the Moda booth. And I never got to try them because they were so busy over there. So I'm really excited to have them, I guess it's upside down, and try them out. And I'll let you guys know how they go. So supposedly they're super, super sharp and they're Teflon coated. So I can't wait to try them. They do come in different sizes, so that's why I want to try these. And if I like them, I might get bigger ones. So that's my favorite thing. Although there's nothing I don't like. This was great. What a great fun gift to kit for myself when I just got back from my retreat. The retreat was a lot of fun. Thank you to all of you who have been kind of looking at the videos. There's not that many. I didn't want to be invasive to everybody's privacy, but super excited for next year's retreat. But more on that later. This video was about the subscription box. So if you like this from Part with Fabric Studio, I put the link down below if you want to check it out and subscribe. I think they might have where you can buy a one-off if you want to try it out before you actually subscribe. But you get a little bit of a price break if you do subscribe every month. So there you go. All right. That was the Fort Worth Fabric Studio subscription box for the month of April. I almost forgot what month it is. And that's it. I will talk to you guys soon. Take care and have a wonderful week. Bye.